just got my parcel from 143vinyl, and I'm just going to unbox it here to show you what I got. I got some really great items. Now, extra little paper here. Here's my packing slip. Just want to make sure everything's in there. Yes. And wow, I ordered a lot of stuff, but you know what? It's all going to be there. So let me take a look here. Oh, look at this. I got a special little treat here. That is so cute. And what else? I ordered some etching cream. So I'm really looking forward to this. And this is going to be another project we're going to do very soon. So look at this, the etching cream. Let's put that aside. And oh my goodness, look at this vinyl. I can hardly wait to get into it. And it's all sealed up here. Let's just take a closer look at what that is. Oh wow, this is just beautiful. I can hardly wait to start using this. And we also have another vinyl, nice big rolls, and look what's inside. Look at all of this stuff. I can hardly wait. Oh, look at this. I'm going to have so much fun. And these are star mats. And this one are all the different colors of vinyl that I ordered. So HTV vinyl, look at those beautiful colors. Put that one aside, and I have my star mats, and I'm just going to open that one up a little bit just to see what this is all about. Look at this. These are just beautiful. I can hardly wait. Just wait for these projects. Okay, what else is in here? We have inkjet printable opaque transfers. Print with a standard inkjet printer, no laser printers, and apply to darker color materials. And this is with the heat press, and this is going to be a lot of fun. It just says StarCraft on the back. I know I've been telling people all about this, and it's telling you all the directions of how you need to use that. That is beautiful. And then we have some blanks, and I ordered a couple of blanks. Oh, these are huge. Look at these tote bags. I can hardly wait to make a project with these. Set that aside. And I decided to do a wine bag because I have a couple friends that are wine lovers. I'm going to be able to put some heat transfer on these wine bags. Just look at this. And then another one that is a burlap. So we're going to have fun with some infusible ink with this one. And then finally I have a little zipper bag, and I'm going to start making some stuff with that zipper bag as well. So look at all of this material that I have. This is going to be so much fun to use. I'm going to keep it all in the box right now. I don't want to bend my transfer, but here we go. What a huge box of material, and I am so looking forward to using it all into another project, and especially with the etching cream. This is going to be a lot of fun, and you are going to love what we're going to make with these.